welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and this is just a little bit different, but I know there are many of you that do like different crafts, so I thought I'd let you know about this. So on a recent Fansells haul that's not got an unboxing, but you will see bits of it, I did actually pick up this embroidery kit. So it comes with all the threads, it comes with the hoop, and it comes with the material, and it comes with the needles. So basically everything you need apart from a pair of scissors and some time is in this kit. There are plenty of threads left over. In fact, even the threads that I'd split, because they are 6 strand, I actually got rid of, and I've still got loads of threads left. But yeah, I wanted to show you how it turned out because I'm pretty impressed with it, to be fair. I think this is going to go in my haul. I'm not quite sure where yet. But it does come with blue lines which tell you where to do. However, when you wash it, when you've finished, the blue lines disappear. Now, all I did was washed it with warm water and a little bit of washing up liquid. That was it. And I let it sort of soak, didn't rummage it too much, and then put it on, or sandwiched it between a couple of tea towels to dry. But this is the finished product. So you do a few different stitches. You've got some straight stitches here. You've got some leaf stitch, you've got some back stitch, and then you've got the dreaded French knots. Now this did take me one evening session just to do the French knots, whereas some of the others I was able to do quite a bit in one evening. Teach me to leave the French knots till last. French knots. Try and speak. But it tells you how many strands to use for each, tells you the stitches, and then on the back it tells you how to do the stitches. But this was a £5, which I'm pretty impressed with. The back looks a bit more of a mess, so I did decide, rather than cutting it round when it was in the hoop, just because over time it might need restretching, I basically just did a running stitch and then pulled it tight to sort of tuck everything behind so it can still be messed with if I need to. The only thing I did find after washing it, some of these did loosen a little bit, so I sort of had to pull them through. So you'll find that quite a few of these are quite loose here, and that's just because I had to pull them through to tighten them. All the other stitches, perfectly fine. But yeah, I just wanted to show you something else that is available on their website. I think they have jigsaws and they have quite a few different embroidery things, but this one, I just fell in love with it the minute I saw it. And sometimes it's nice to do a craft where you sit back rather than sitting forward. Just a little bit of a change. I have been a cross stitcher, but I don't tend to do embroidery. But I am really chuffed with how this one turned out. So I'll pop a link in the description, but this is just a little random, what else have I been doing? So you actually get 3 needles. Is it 3 or is it 4? 3. So if you do lose one, you've still got needles left, but there's more danger with losing a needle than needing another needle. It's more the fact of, will I get stabbed with it? But yeah, it came as a cute little kit, and I'm really pleased with how it looks. So I thought I'd show you guys in case it's something you're interested in, and if you're there ordering for diamond paintings anyway, might not do any harm to bob one of these in your basket. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.